Looking for the next big move on EURUSD? Please watch the full video. Currently, the EURUSD 1-hour chart shows a fascinating battle between buyers and sellers. While the overall long-term structure has been bullish, marked by a consistent series of higher highs and higher lows, the short-term momentum has shifted significantly. We recently witnessed a sharp rejection from the upper supply zones, leading to a break of structure that suggests temporary weakness in the pair. To trade this effectively, we must watch the key levels very closely. On the upside, we have heavy supply zones between 1.1800 and 1.1850. These areas are currently controlling the market and preventing a bullish breakout for now. On the downside, immediate demand is sitting right at 1.1740. If we look lower, a much stronger support base exists around the 1.1650 level. The market is currently at a crossroads near 1.1770. Here is how you should play it. In the bullish scenario, if the price manages to hold firmly above the 1.1740 demand zone and shows strong bullish candle confirmation, we could see a move back up. Your primary targets would be 1.1800, 1.1830, and ultimately 1.1850. Keep your stop loss safely below 1.1730 to protect your capital. However, keep a close eye on the bearish scenario. This is the make or break level. As noted on the chart, if we see a clean break below 1.1740 followed by a retest, the bias flips heavily to bearish. In this case, expect the price to slide toward 1.1700 and eventually the 1.1650 demand zone. Don't chase the price. Wait for a clear confirmation at the 1.1740 level before committing to a trade. Patience is definitely the key to catching the next impulsive move. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.